guys, it's Tatiana. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this room that needs to be transformed. So I'm going to be transforming it into an office. So this is how the room looks like. I'm going to be transforming this room into an office. And I'm actually really excited to transform this room because it needs a lot of work and it's a disaster, but I can't wait to see how it turns out. So I thought my camera was recording, so I didn't get any footage of me cleaning the room, so I basically just donated and threw away everything. So this is how the room looked like once everything is out. I prepped it to get it ready for painting, and I decided to paint the room white because I feel like white will make the room look a lot bigger and brighter, and I feel like the lighting would just look so much better. So here I have my older brother who offered to help me paint my office, and I also have my niece who really wanted to paint because it looked so much fun, and then she realized it was a lot of work, so I just had her help me paint my closet. Now that I got the whole room painted, I got one wall white, and the other one vanilla. So now that we finished painting the room, I'm gonna go ahead and put a wallpaper on this wall because I didn't really like the vanilla color on this one because of the lighting. So after putting the wallpaper on by myself, the very next day the whole thing just fell down. So I decided to untangle it and put it back up again by myself. So definitely have someone help you if you can. So now that we got the wallpaper all finished, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of the stuff that I thrifted for decor. These are the stuff that I thrifted a while ago that I was trying to collect for this office. My goal was to get it 100% thrifted, but since price is going around and all the stores are closing, I'm just going to have to look around my house to finish decorating this room. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the stuff that I thrifted so far. So I found this brand new box from Goodwill for $4.49. And it's just like a little lighting box for a cute little message board. And then I found 4 of these storage boxes. They're black, and I really like the detail of this. It's really nice. $4.49 for these. I got 4 of these, so I ended up being around like $18. And then I bought this thing as well at the same thrift store, same day. I found this bowl, and it was $14.49. If you spend more than $20, you can use a 20% coupon that you can find at the Goodwill website. And then I found this white boho rug at the Goodwill bin for like $8, and it has some really nice like metallic detailing. Then I found this basket. This one was like $2.99. I took off the tag and to clean it. I was gonna spray paint this, but since everything is closed, I'm probably just gonna have to leave it like that. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and start decorating the office. So my mom gave me this white furniture that she had around her house, so I decided to decorate it with some of my thrift finds. And one thing I really love about this furniture is that I like the bottom cabinet to store all my shipping supplies because I like how it looks so nice and neat in there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the lighting box, and I just put hashtag #POSH since I am a reseller. I found this vase that was broken. I didn't want to throw it away because I really like how it looked with the black and white, so I just want to go ahead and added some sand on top. So I thrifted this clothing rack like 2 years ago at Goodwill for $7.99, and I just kind of decor it with some of my inventory to make it look really nice. I found this white desk at Savor for $9.99, and it has these really nice cube storage. And I also thrifted this chair that has some really nice sequins at Savor for $5.99. And this white desk is from IKEA, but I happened to find it at Savors, and I felt like it was still in good condition.